Try to see if we can make a way back out of that cave here. Find the landmark? You find the mark or your mark?
Yes man, see it here. Yeah man, this is our landmark that we used to.
A tool it me get them here a while ago, you know, brother. Yes, people, you know we start with him. One place them call him Oxford. Yeah man, Oxford. So big up on yourself anywhere I watch from. You know sir, let's see if we find one cave this morning. I link up with the boss. My eyes are yours. Yeah man, so you don't know. Where you say my boss? Yeah. Where you say we are rich today?
Yes my people, morning. Big up on yourself, you know.
Yeah
man. Right now we're on the road today again. You know which part today in Oxford and Manchester. Yeah man, we're on the border between Manchester and St. Elizabeth. So we are going to take on the journey and give you a cave video today. Yeah man, right now, just pray so we come out alright. You see me? Big up on yourself. Continue watch, continue stick and stay up on the channel. Fire Reid himself. Big up yourself. So yes the people, so you'll see if we find a cave here. We're on some crazy thing that area. I go all about, I'll show you some hidden gems. Yeah man, so just stick and stay and see what I go on. Yeah man, you can see sign, it's our landmark. Oxford, Balaclava, Magati, Chai, Acting Betty. Yeah man, so yeah, so we there. Yeah man, see it there. Know that place here, you know. So you see cross over there, so this is where I drive go. Nice river. One river in Manchester to, but we are going to the cave. Yeah man. So I give you a couple of clips of the river scene. So yes people, on my journey to the cave, make a stop at Nice River. Yeah man, in Manchester. So yeah man, so they can see after Melissa, this is what it looked like in the Nice River area guys. You can hear the nice sound of the water. Yes man, see it? See you have a lot of trees are down. Yeah man, so this is what it looked like in the Nice River area. So you all need to visit this area guys. Yeah man. So please take a tour into the Manchester area if you don't want to come on a river. Nice River, Manchester. Yeah man, so come enjoy yourself with the family. Things always happen around here, so always happen. Yes people, so we're on our journey now, you know. I'll see if we find a cave there this morning, you know. Big up yourself, yeah man. Man, boss, blessings, cool.
I hope that's alright if you just in a cave there.
Oh, where I go, man?
You want to chop out though?
Oh, where I go there, man, you know? Yeah, man, so I'll be there cave and show you where I go on. On Fire Reid, my eyes are yours. Is right here, taking the cave journey. Yeah, man, see me?
People, you see this? See it there? I have a solar light, you know.
Yeah, man, boss, I mean light.
Ready for the journey, my people. I see it there in a water boat. Because we don't know what kind of ground we are going to face. But guess what? We have a solar light. I mean, I'm a water boat. I have a camera. Fire Reid. Boy, I don't know if you're happy if you're on that journey like me, you know, but trust me, it's a joy if you come on that journey today.
So you're not scared?
Yeah, boy, I kind of feel nervous still because guess what? Even last night, no boy, I say, boy, my mind upon you, I say, yo, boy, Father God, you have to carry we in safe and take you back out safe, you know, because guess what? It's a do or die situation, you know. But guess what? Father God up on our side, man, so we're good to go.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
So I take on the journey, you know?
Yeah, we are taking on the journey. So come in, people.
Yes,
come
man.
In. Yeah, man.
So wait. The heat is on. Yeah, man, the heat is on. The heat is on. Yeah, man, see it. Yeah, man, so I'll go up to the cave now, show you where I go on, and look at the spectacular view over there. place that kind of looks scary and enough. So if I say I'm going now.
Yeah, so where I walk on break.
See clothes and that type of something, but I wonder say. A chance here, I don't know my boss. So what are going to do?
What you said, all that car we have to catch that good piece here, you know. So what you said now, Fire Reid?
Why you not pretty brother? Yeah man, what you say about my boss?
Why? Fire Reid, trust me. This no look good for me boy, but guess what? We still have to go on. Because guess what people? We are do it for you know. We not do it for ourselves, we are do it for for show no the beauty that Jamaica sits on. Alright?
I was part with a location name.
It is Oxford Cave. Right now we are at Oxford Cave. We are on the border of St. Elizabeth and Manchester. Noise River is just below us. Alright? So right now people are them close over there. So it look like someone coming here and you know take they use those clothes to go and take out some rat bat feces. Here are some torch. Them call it the kitchen bitch. If you don't want to know, if you don't remember them thing, yeah man, them have them buckle torch guys. It is called the kitchen bitch. Yeah. So you don't know how it thing go, you know. Yes, people as and as you can see some little markings are on the stones. Yeah man, some of them symbolizing some Greek or some other writings that are here. Some tourists came and they marked them on the stones.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So you see, ready for going there now?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so
see water drop.
Somewhere here. Some drippings of water,
yeah,
you know? Them stones that they have crystal light though.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. They have all one part. So, I have been here once and I reached to a point where I saw some stones that it looks like an angel. Like the angel stand up like this and fold its wings and it looks like it is a lot of crystal on it. So, people, we have a lot of things here to learn about and we have a lot of things to see that we didn't see before, saw before. So, no come man and check out the thing, man.
Yeah, man.
So yes, my people, this is the buckle torch.
Boy, kind of scary, man, and I feel cold. Yeah, man, it's not a really big cave still, you know, but a lot of things are going on there. Yeah. Come and tap up this and see what's going on, you know, people.
Just showing what's going on.
Yeah, man, a whole heap of buckle in there and things, see you. And they come like it cold, like very, very cold, my people. So you say I go cross what is up?
Yeah, man.
Where?
Can I walk?
Now I go cross, I go wait
Can I
on.
walk here, so man? Can I walk there, sorry? Can I walk here, so?
Okay. So I'm to that piece of this. What I would carry you?
Right here, so?
See the right as well.
Basically, you see him hole for here, so man.
So it's a small cave then?
Yeah. No, man, it's a big old cave, man, but you have to bend down to walk over there.
See, I go through there?
You want to go through there?
Me?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Alright.
Unless you go over there.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, man, see stone, you know. man, so this is our free house we live in. If you don't have a house, you can make this your house. Why is the white room back there and tea? Guys, if you can look at the stone, so it's pretty man. Yo! Yeah, nice little people in here, cool. Yeah, man, very cool guys, very cool. Look at them design and them rock story. It's a good work of art. You don't know, say, things say the cave did kind of finish, but a whole heap of cave there, see me, man. Watch out. See how one piece gone over, you know?
Yeah, man, around there, so me tell you, say there's something there like the statue.
Yeah? Yeah, but you come here already, man.
Come here one time, man, but me not pass, that's so still.
That doesn't sound good. Tell me, what you hear about it? He passed now, what is it? When you hear, say, don't pass over there, sir?
No, man, you can't, but...
Almighty. So, I saw you come to, you?
Yeah, man.
Oh, for me, I said, come like me last movie a while ago.
I'm sorry, we don't last, but we can't last no more.
So, Mr. William, my eyes are yours, so... What history you know about the cave here?
Why, people, the history me know about this cave is far and beyond. Right now, this cave is situated on the border between Manchester and St. Elizabeth. And right now it is 765 meters long. Alright, and right now I heard that a lot of tourists came. All the markings that you saw on the wall, they were made by tourists. The tourists came from overseas and they came under here and they marked some markings on the wall. All of the markings that you see, they mark it on the wall. So people, we have a lot to learn. And each time we come on a journey, we learn something, and I hope you do learn something too. And we want to come and you can take a tour in the cave. You can link up Fire Reid and you can link up My Eyes Are Yours. So you big up on yourself.
Yes, man, you hear that? And remember to subscribe to My Eyes Are Yours YouTube channel. We have some epic video coming out all about Jamaica tour and everything. So check out him thing and subscribe, you know. Each one help on the people. Alright, I show you this is the rat bat. The rat bat manure right up here, see it?
Adapt most of the man come here.
Yeah, man, so you see most of the guys them coming here for this and so I'm part over here, so it's a lot of different type of carving out and thing, but not really I go on that side of it today, no. Yeah, man, so yeah, man, so I'll try to see if we can make a way back. Let's try to see if we can make a way back out of that cave here.
See if we can make our way out.
Like one light down, you know, brother.
Yeah?
One light down, you know, so see if we can find a way fast back out of the place, you know?
Yeah, man. So my people want to leave in the comment section when I think about this cave video and when I think about the tour. Alright. Bend down now.
So you find the landmark? You find the mark where you mark?
Yes man, see it here. Yeah man, this is our landmark that we used to.
A tool it me get them here a while ago, you know, brother.
Yeah there.
I ain't thinking of that time, so don't follow me, you know.
Not in here man. Hold on there.
Yeah, all the back for your business, you know, brother.
Yeah man, yeah, bend your back. people. Reach back out, you know. Yeah, man. What?
Why?
Yes, you people, boy, that was a journey and a half.